Is your Shopify mobile view looking like it was designed for ants? Let's fix that. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. Next, find the theme you want to edit. Usually, it's the current one, and click on the Customize button. This will open the theme editor. Now, look for the three dots icon. It's usually located near the top center of the screen. Click on that icon to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Theme Settings. This will take you to a new set of settings that control your theme's overall appearance. Scroll down the theme settings until you find the Layout section. Click to expand the layout. You will find Page Width or Container Width setting, where you can adjust your mobile view. Increase this number to make your mobile view bigger and more readable. Play around with the number until you're happy with how your site looks on mobile. Remember to check the mobile preview on the right to see the changes in real time. Finally, don't forget to hit that Save button in the top right corner to publish your changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the mobile view on your Shopify store.